Hi, my name is Danielle Frogley.
And I'm Brittany Davies.
And we are students currently working on Project SEEL
through the David O. McKay School of Education.
SEEL is an acronym that stands for Systematic and Engaging in Early Literacy. The SEAL program teaches lots of different literacy skills, such as oral language development, letter-sound association, vocabulary development, and comprehension.
Kids today love getting their hands on the newest technologies, so we felt that if we could take all that Project SEAL has to offer and incorporate it with this new technology, that it would really help kids be really enthusiastic about learning how to read.
And that's the ultimate goal of Project SEAL, is for students to have fun while they're learning. When we were trying to figure out which technology we wanted to use, the first thing that kept coming to our mind was the iPod Touch, but we were a little concerned about the small screen size.
Luckily, we discovered that Apple is coming out with a new device called the iPad, which functions almost exactly the same as an iPod Touch, but has a much larger screen size and is a lot more kid-friendly.
So as you can see, we made little cutouts, and this is the size of the iPod Touch, and this is the iPad, which is a lot bigger. And so it's a lot more kindergarten friendly and would be way easier for them to do some sort of interactional game on. Because the iPad hasn't actually been released from Apple yet, we had to make a mock application instead, and so we downloaded the free software off of the Apple website that allows us to make these applications. And we also downloaded a thing called the iPad or iPod simulator so that we can show you our application, or at least what it could potentially be able to do. Clearly this is not a touch screen, so we have to imagine by using the mouse, but it's better than nothing. Welcome to the Black Backpack. Pack the backpack with all the ACK words. Ready? Go!
Track. Good job! You packed the track in the black backpack.
SEAL truly values the tactic of visual and oral repetition in helping students more effectively learn to recognize the target word ending.
Sack.
In our application, we wanted to be sure that the students would be exposed to the target in a variety of different formats, including repetitive sounds and images. When a child taps an object, it will repeat back to them what that object is so they can hear it as they read the word.
Sack. Good job! You packed the sack in the black backpack.
Once again, the target is repeated as they are congratulated for packing the backpack. For the images that are not ACK words, the image bounces back to its original position.
Bug. Uh-oh, bug does not end in ACK. It can't go in the black backpack. Try again, shack. Good job. You packed the shack in the black backpack. You did it! Great job. All the ACK words are in the black backpack. Read along with me as we pack the black backpack.
This next activity is called a target text. Here, our goal is for the students to audibly say the target while visually reading it and hearing it on the recording. In the finalized application, there will be a feature that highlights the words as they are being read.
Now let's practice reading and spelling our new ACK words. Follow along with me. The black backpack.
The last activity in our application is the mini book. Here the students are once again exposed to the target visually and audibly as they read along, and they are also required to demonstrate their ability to spell the target words by entering in the missing letters.
Uh-oh, some of the letters in our ACK word are missing. Enter the missing letters. Good job! I have a tack in my backpack.
At the end of the mini-book, there is a story for the students to read, which places one last emphasis on the ACK word ending. Just as with the target text, the finalized version of the application will highlight the words for the students to read along.
I love my black backpack.
You did it! You finished the black backpack activity. Now you can move on to the next target. And we're so grateful they were able to participate in this competition because it really has allowed us to expand the possibilities of SEAL. And the head of this project has already talked about hiring someone that could work full-time to start developing these applications for each of the lessons that SEAL has to offer. So it's really exciting.
Yeah! We did it!